Hi everyone, I made Looky Looky Lou an embellishment box. She was doing a challenge for her birthday. That's January 20th. So I made her this one, and I put this little, I don't know what you want to call this kind of thing. It's not a chunky charm, but it is kind of like a thingy. And I got a little butterfly bead on it right here, and another crackle bead with some blue dots to match this. And as in a previous video, I hauled at Hobby Lobby. They had this trim, so I got like almost 8 yards of it. So I put that all around it with some little blingy here, and I put a name and some flowers here, and they have like a little zebra pattern. I bought these at AC Moore, and AC Moore is no longer where I live anymore. They closed the store down, but I don't know if you can see them. They're like little tiger in there, like a little animal print. And I have all colors. And so I thought that went really nice. And then inside, I think I open it this way because she wants to store them on that side, so we have to do it upside down. And then inside, I just have a few things here. There's like a little coffee cup here, and I did some bows in gold, copper, and rose gold. So a few different colors here, and a little star here. I just stuck those in here. I made a pocket. And we just have some embellishments. We have a couple of butterfly stickers. When I used to make the little notebooks, I still make them. I put these butterfly stickers on there, and those sold out really quick at the craft fairs. It's a puffy butterfly. They're pretty, 2 different sizes. And I just got some goodies in here for her, some butterfly beads, some little embellishment, little white dots that we all got from Hobby Lobby. I got some buttons and beads in here, and I got some flowers in here, like this kind and this kind in there. I put this in there. Some little flowers here and some little wood things. These would fit, so that's what I put in there. Things that could fit, because it's kind of hard to fit things in these boxes. And you know, these kind of different flowers here, and a little rosebud. It's hard to. Okay. Little watering can and some other wooden goodies over here. Some little tiny things. A little key is over there. And some buttons over here, and bling in here. All different kinds. I got some brads over here, and some little tassels. Let me see. These are all kind of brads and stuff. So all kind of different brads. There's a paper clip there. I have some little butterflies here and some kitty cats. I don't know if she likes kitty cats, but I have these kitty cat buttons too that you can just cut the shanks off. That's what I do. A little bell, some beads, a little angel here, and just little doodads. I got this little flower here, and I got some more buttons here, the little girl, and some hearts in there, and a house, and a little leaf. So just here some little doodads for her to craft with. I got some hearts in here too. Some little hearts. Let's see, I think there's red and pink. And some little flower thingies like that. So, you know, just a few little things, odds and ends for her to have in her stash. I had fun making it, and I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, let me put the butterfly stickers back in there. There we go. Okay, and I have a VR for her already. If you look in my videos, if you're interested in making her an embellishment box, I do have a video, a VR, explaining everything in it. I think it has to be postmarked by the end of January, I'm pretty sure. But that VR will have all the information in it. So that's what I made for Candace. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.